Keep it running, keep it running. Watch this thing sing. Come on, baby. Give it to me. There you go.
That goes into the valve cover?
Not the one into the valve cover.
No, it's not the valve cover. I think it's on that side. It's right here, right here, right here. See this right here? It's this whole assembly right here. It's this thing right here. It'd be this piece and this. It'd be a whole assembly right here. So
So if I unplug it,
unplug it, and pull it off, and see if there's back pressure.
Yeah, because it's normally
Usually,
closed,
right.
and then when you actuate it, it opens the valve.
Yeah, and
Full
then-
pressure.
Right,
That thing's-
but doesn't that
If
pull?
it's stuck open,
But doesn't that
it
pull
wouldn't go- it wouldn't
vapors?
go pressure.
But doesn't that pull vapors this way and not that way? Yeah,
Yeah, it
say
takes
because
it
it's
out the engine.
backflowing. No, it takes it out of the tank.
Yeah, so that means if the valve inside is fucked up,
Right.
that means air is going through the
noise
back.
you're hearing is because it's pulling and it's
Right. Okay.
So you're
Okay.
still pulling this way, but it sounds like it's pulling this way all the time.
Yeah.
The valve's not closing.
Unplug the electrical connector, disconnect the back.
That right there.
Yeah, so
That one.
plug this connector, pull this off, and then if you still have vacuum, you'll know right away.
Yeah.
They're not quiet.
Yeah, sexy. Yeah.
And then when you're done this, you want to come over and do my grill shutter for me.
Yeah, your grill shutter.
Everybody says my car's overheating, and when you get in it, and you put the shutter down.
Oh, look at that! It cleared the engine up too. All of a sudden, look at that.
Just unplugging it.
Just unplugging it.
Just
And it's not,
unplugging
now
it,
it's
so
not
it
running
goes
rough
back to
anymore.
that shit. Yeah. That's unplugging that made it run better.
Yeah, but it's still stuck open now. So unplug it from the back.
How do you unplug this one?
There's two push pads. The green one, you gotta push straight up. Use both hands,
One on each side.
one on each side. It's always easier just to grab it and pull it straight up. Both hands. There you go.
So the green side goes up?
Yep, green tag goes up.
I think you gotta really pull the tab stick down. You gotta get it to move a little first. There's two locks on the bottom.
The thing's swinging like a diamond it goes to. Right.
Get it off.
Here,
No.
record. I'll get it. Okay. Record. My YouTube page.
Don't aim it at yourself if you
Let me get my big old butt in here. See how you just take your finger on these two front tabs right here and push up. Boom. Then yeah. See how it's a little stuck little. I'm not all the way up. Did I take it? I usually bend them. Whoops. Okay. I got it up. There you go. This other side was stuck. Okay. Woo. That's vacuum right there, boy.
Fully.
You want to feel it? Feel it. So you know what it feels like. So you know.
Be prepared
It's supposed to be closed off, right?
Right. It's supposed to be closed right now.
See how it's
So
only a
that
little
vacuum.
bit? That's all it takes to move back because it builds up the pressure.
And now look, the noise is gone. So what'd you learn? What'd you learn?
Bad first off.
Okay. So
If you unplug that and there's
that's how we diagnose things, boys and
no
girls.
vacuum
And
there,
forgot the
it's doing
intro.
same
Sorry.
thing, it's 'cause
if
it's
you're new
pulling
here,
back.
welcome. You've been here. Thanks for coming back. This is Fordland, Jeremiah. We'll be teaching the new kids some a little bit of diagnostic and how to repair. So sorry this video is a little weird, but it's gonna go up on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.